In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a double major on LinkedIn. Let us dive in with a simple and straightforward process that should take around 5 minutes of your time. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to LinkedIn's domain. Just type the URL into the address bar and press enter. Once you are on LinkedIn's homepage, you will need to sign in. If you are not already logged in, look for the sign. Here, you have the choice to sign in using your Google or Apple account, or by manually entering your email address and password. Whichever method you choose, make sure your login credentials are close at hand for quick access. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, you might receive a prompt to verify your login attempt. This usually involves a security code sent to your phone. Simply enter the code as instructed. This step ensures that your account is secure, safeguarding against any unauthorized access, and keeping your LinkedIn profile protected. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your LinkedIn feed. At the top right corner of the page, you will see your profile picture. Click on it, which will display a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the View My Profile option. This will direct you to your personal LinkedIn profile, where you can make the necessary edits. Upon arriving at your profile page, scroll down until you reach the Education section. Here is where you will add details about your academic qualifications, including your double major. Look carefully to the right of any existing education entry, and you will notice a pencil icon. This is the Edit button, the gateway to updating your educational credentials. Clicking this pencil icon will open a dialog box. Within this box, navigate to the Field of Study field. Here is the key entry point where you can specify your areas of study. Enter both of your majors in this field. To clearly distinguish between the two, separate them with a comma, or use the word. And, after successfully entering your double majors, find the Save button and click it to update your profile. This step ensures that all changes you have made are securely stored and visible to those viewing your profile. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you have successfully updated your LinkedIn profile to reflect your double major. Lastly, make sure to review your profile to ensure everything looks just as you intended. Keeping your LinkedIn profile polished and up to date is an excellent way to make lasting impressions on anyone who visits it.